Spread butter all over your cast iron. I'm going to show you how to make some cool potatoes. Let's go. Cut your potatoes into bite-sized pieces, get them all in the pan. We're going to season them with a couple of different my favorite seasonings from my good buddy Willow's, and then a little bit of European brand from Tina Cannon. Here's my favorite SPG from Willow's Seasoning. We're going to get some of that on there, and then we're going to get to the cheeses. All right, so anytime you're doing home cook, you want to make sure you pick good ingredients. So we got some nice cheese, some Gruyere, and some seriously sharp. Give a little stank on it. So we're going to get these shredded up into the cast iron, and then we'll go from there. There they are. Now we're going to bake them until the potatoes are soft and the cheeses are all melted and nice crust develops. I went with 350 on the pellet grill for an extra added flavor and waited till the cheese was all melty and delicious. You could always do this in the oven as well. Let me know if you tried it.